Introduction: what changes inside your body after 60? After the age of 60, your body begins sending signals that are easy to ignore. Your legs may feel weaker when you stand up. Your energy may disappear earlier in the day. Digestion can become slower. Your joints may feel stiffer in the morning. And names or small details may not come to your mind as quickly as they once did. Many people believe these changes are simply an unavoidable part of getting older. But the truth is more complicated. Aging does change the body. Muscle tissue becomes harder to maintain. Bones need greater nutritional support. The digestive system may become less efficient. And some older adults absorb important nutrients, including vitamin B12, less effectively. However, your daily food choices can influence how strongly these changes affect your independence, mobility, energy, and quality of life. Imagine your body as a house that has protected you for more than 60 years. The house is still strong, but it now needs better maintenance. It needs stronger building materials, more careful protection, and fewer foods that quietly increase inflammation, blood sugar, or cardiovascular stress. In this video, you will discover 5 powerful foods that adults over 60 can include throughout the week. These foods were chosen because together they support 5 areas that become especially important with age: muscle strength, heart health, brain function, digestion, and bone health. And stay until the final food, because it contains nutrients associated with healthy blood vessels and brain aging. But many seniors eat far too little of it. This video is for general education. Anyone with kidney disease, swallowing difficulties, food allergies, diabetes, or medication-related dietary restrictions should personalize these suggestions with a qualified healthcare professional. The National Institute on Aging recommends that older adults eat a varied diet containing protein-rich foods, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, dairy, or fortified alternatives, beans, nuts, seeds, and seafood. It also emphasizes hydration and limiting added sugar, excess sodium, and saturated fat. #2. Food. Number 1. Plain Greek yogurt. The first food is plain Greek yogurt. At first glance, yogurt may seem like a simple breakfast or snack. But after 60, it can become a practical way to deliver several nutrients your body needs in one easy-to-eat food. The first is protein. Your muscles are constantly breaking down and rebuilding themselves. When you are younger, this rebuilding process responds more easily to food and physical activity. As you age, the muscles may become less responsive. This means that regularly including quality protein throughout the day becomes increasingly important. Muscle is not only about appearance. It helps you rise from a chair, climb stairs, carry groceries, maintain balance, and recover after illness. Preserving muscle can help protect the independence that makes everyday life possible. Greek yogurt is usually thicker and more protein-rich than traditional yogurt. It can be especially useful for people who do not want to eat meat at every meal. Yogurt also provides calcium, which is necessary for maintaining bones and supporting normal muscle and nerve function. Some varieties provide vitamin B12, vitamin D, or live cultures, depending on the product. Vitamin B12 deserves special attention after 60. Some older adults have greater difficulty absorbing this vitamin. B12 is involved in healthy blood cells and nervous system function. Low levels can sometimes contribute to problems that may be mistaken for ordinary aging. A practical serving could be approximately 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Add blueberries, chopped walnuts, ground flaxseed, or a small amount of cinnamon. This creates a more balanced meal without turning the yogurt into a sugar-heavy dessert. When shopping, look at the ingredient list. Choose plain yogurt with little or no added sugar. Many flavored yogurts contain enough added sugar to transform a healthy food into something closer to a sweet snack. People who avoid dairy can consider an unsweetened fortified soy yogurt. Check the label for protein, calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. Because nutritional content varies widely between brands, yogurt is not a miracle food, but it is a useful foundation. Soft, convenient, versatile, and easy to combine with other nutrient-dense foods. The National Institute on Aging includes dairy, fortified soy products, and other protein foods among useful choices for maintaining muscle. NIH Nutrition Resources also identify yogurt as a meaningful source of calcium and vitamin B12H3. Food. Number 2, salmon or sardines. The second food is fatty fish, especially salmon or sardines. Picture your bloodstream as a vast highway system. Every second, blood travels through thousands of miles of vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your heart, brain, muscles, kidneys, and every living cell. The condition of those highways matters. Fatty fish provides protein without the large amount of saturated fat found in many processed or fatty meats. It also provides long-chain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats are components of cell membranes and are involved in several processes related to cardiovascular function and inflammation. This does not mean that salmon can clean blocked arteries overnight or cure heart disease. No single food can do that. But replacing processed meat or heavily fried food with fish can improve the overall quality of a person's eating pattern. Salmon is also a useful source of vitamin B12. Depending on the variety, it may provide vitamin D as well. Sardines offer another advantage. When the small, softened bones are eaten, canned sardines can provide calcium. This makes them a compact food that supports both protein intake and bone nutrition for many adults. A practical goal is to eat fish about twice per week. The American Heart Association recommends 2 weekly servings. particularly including fatty fish. You could bake salmon with garlic, lemon, pepper, and herbs. You could add canned sardines to whole grain toast with tomato and olive oil. You could also mix salmon into a salad containing leafy greens, beans, cucumber, and a simple lemon dressing. The cooking method matters. Deep frying fish or covering it with large amounts of butter and salt can reduce the benefit of choosing fish in the first place. Baking, grilling, steaming, or air frying with minimal oil are generally better approaches. Be cautious with heavily salted smoked fish and certain canned products. People who need to control sodium should compare labels and choose lower sodium options when available. Fish is also one of the foods for which quality and variety matter. Rotating between salmon, sardines, trout, herring, and other appropriate seafood can prevent the diet from becoming repetitive. The American Heart Association recommends eating 2 servings of fish per week and notes that fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, herring, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. #4. Food. Number 3. Beans and lentils. The third food may be one of the most underestimated foods in the supermarket. Beans and lentils are inexpensive, filling, and remarkably versatile. Inside these small foods is a combination that becomes especially valuable after 60. Plant protein and dietary fiber. Protein helps provide the building materials needed by muscles and other tissues. Fiber travels through the digestive system differently. Instead of being completely broken down and absorbed, certain types of fiber help support stool formation, regularity, and the community of microorganisms living inside the gut. This community is called the gut microbiome. Think of it as a hidden ecosystem. Some microbes use components of plant foods as fuel and produce substances that interact with the intestinal environment. When the diet is dominated by ultra-processed foods and contains very little fiber, this ecosystem receives fewer of the materials it needs. Constipation also becomes more common for many older adults. Reduced movement, inadequate fluid intake, medications, and low-fiber diets may all contribute. Beans and lentils can help increase fiber intake, but there is an important rule. Increase them gradually. Eating a very large amount suddenly may cause gas or discomfort, particularly when the digestive system is not accustomed to fiber. Begin with a few spoonfuls. Over time, work toward approximately half a cup in a meal, depending on your tolerance and individual nutritional needs. And remember that fiber needs water. Adding more fiber without drinking enough fluid may make digestive discomfort worse. Hydration requirements vary, especially for people with heart or kidney conditions. So follow any fluid guidance provided by your healthcare professional. Lentils can be added to vegetable soup. Black beans can be combined with brown rice, chopped tomatoes, avocado, and herbs. Chickpeas can be added to salads or blended into hummus. White beans can be mixed into a soup containing carrots, celery, garlic, and leafy greens. For people concerned about blood sugar, beans can be particularly useful when they replace refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, pastries, or oversized portions of white rice. The fiber, protein, and structure of beans generally make them more filling than many refined foods. Canned beans are convenient, but sodium can be high. Drain and rinse them thoroughly, or purchase no-salt added varieties. Anyone with chronic kidney disease may need personalized advice about beans, potassium, phosphorus, protein, and portion size. A generally healthy food may still require adjustment for a specific medical condition. The National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases identifies beans, lentils, chickpeas, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and nuts as useful fiber sources. It also advises increasing fiber gradually and consuming adequate fluids so the fiber can work effectively. Hash 5. Food number 4. Berries, the fourth food, is a group of small fruits with a powerful nutritional reputation. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries contain fiber, vitamins, and colorful plant compounds. Their deep red, blue, and purple colors are not merely decorative. Those pigments come from naturally occurring compounds produced by the plant. Researchers study these compounds for their possible roles in vascular health, oxidative stress, and healthy aging. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules known as free radicals overwhelm the body's defenses. Free radicals are created naturally during metabolism, but smoking, poor diet, chronic disease, pollution, and other factors may increase the burden. Antioxidant systems help control this process. However, the goal is not to search for one magical antioxidant. The stronger strategy is to build a varied eating pattern containing many different plant foods. Berries fit naturally into that pattern. They are also useful because they provide sweetness without requiring candy, pastries, or sugary breakfast cereals. A bowl of berries cannot erase years of poor eating habits, but replacing a processed dessert with berries and plain yogurt can be a meaningful daily decision. Try adding half a cup to 1 cup of berries to oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or a smoothie containing unsweetened milk or fortified soy milk. Frozen berries are an excellent option. They are often less expensive, last longer, and can be used without waiting for a specific season. Choose products without added syrup or sugar. Berries can also help make healthy foods more appealing. Many people know they should eat oatmeal or plain yogurt, but find these foods boring. Adding strawberries, blueberries, cinnamon, and a few nuts creates color, texture, flavor, and greater nutritional variety. There is also growing interest in dietary patterns designed to support brain health. The mind-eating pattern emphasizes leafy vegetables, berries, beans, nuts, whole grains, olive oil, and fish. Research has found associations between greater adherence to this type of pattern and healthier cognitive aging. But association is not the same as a guaranteed cure. Berries have not been proven to prevent Alzheimer's disease, and no fruit should be promoted as a treatment for memory loss. The responsible message is simpler. Berries can be part of a balanced dietary pattern associated with better overall and brain health. National Institute on Aging Resources described berries as a central component of the mind-eating pattern. The agency also emphasizes that no specific food or supplement has been proven to prevent Alzheimer's disease. SACE. Food. Number 5. Dark, leafy green vegetables. The fifth food is dark, leafy greens. This includes spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, arugula, romaine lettuce, and similar vegetables. These foods may not look dramatic, but inside their leaves are nutrients involved in blood formation, normal blood clotting, eye health, cellular protection, and cardiovascular function. Leafy greens can provide folate, vitamin K, carotenoids, fiber, and minerals. The exact amount depends on the vegetable and how it is prepared. Some leafy vegetables also contain natural dietary nitrates inside the body. These compounds can participate in pathways connected to nitric oxide, a molecule involved in the ability of blood vessels to relax. That does not make spinach a medication, and it does not mean that one salad will instantly correct poor circulation. But vegetables can contribute to an overall dietary pattern that supports vascular health. Leafy greens are also repeatedly included in Mediterranean-style and Mind-style eating patterns. Observational research has associated regular consumption of green leafy vegetables with slower cognitive decline in older adults. Once again, this does not prove that greens prevent dementia. It means they belong to a group of foods consistently associated with healthy aging. A practical target could be 1 cup of raw greens, or approximately half a cup of cooked greens on many days of the week. Add spinach to scrambled eggs. Mix kale into bean soup. Serve collard greens beside fish and sweet potato. Use romaine, arugula, cucumber, tomatoes, beans, and olive oil to create a complete salad rather than treating lettuce as a decoration. Cooking can make some greens easier to chew and digest. Light steaming or sautéing with garlic and olive oil can improve flavor without drowning the vegetables in heavy sauces. People taking warfarin or another medication affected by vitamin K should not suddenly eliminate or dramatically increase leafy greens without medical guidance. The key is often consistency rather than avoidance. Your healthcare professional can explain how to keep your vitamin K intake stable while still eating nutritious vegetables. People with kidney disease may also need individualized advice about potassium. The National Institute on Aging identifies leafy greens as a major component of Mediterranean and Mind-style eating patterns. Research described by the agency has associated regular leafy green consumption with slower age-related cognitive decline. Although it does not prove that the vegetables prevent dementia, build a stronger body, one meal at a time after 60. Healthy eating should not be based on fear. It should be based on preparation. Plain Greek yogurt can provide convenient protein, calcium, and vitamin B12. Salmon and sardines provide protein and heart-supportive omega-3 fats. Beans and lentils provide plant protein and fiber for digestion and fullness. Berries bring color, fiber, and protective plant compounds into the diet. Dark leafy greens provide nutrients that support the blood, bones, eyes, cells, and vascular system. You do not need to eat all 5 foods in one meal. You could begin your morning with Greek yogurt and berries. At lunch, add lentils or chickpeas to a salad. At dinner, combine salmon with leafy greens and another colorful vegetable. Small decisions, repeated consistently, are more powerful than extreme diets that last only a few days. Nutrition is also only one part of healthy aging. Movement matters. Sleep matters. Hydration matters. Social connection matters. Medical checkups matter. And maintaining muscle requires not only protein, but also regular physical activity that challenges the muscles safely. Your body after 60 is not asking for perfection. It is asking for support. Every nutritious meal is a message to your muscles, heart, brain, bones, and digestive system. It tells your body that you are still investing in your strength, your mobility, and your future. Now, I would like to hear from you. Which of these 5 foods do you already eat regularly? Yogurt, fish, beans, berries, or leafy greens? Write your answer in the comments. And if this video helped you understand how food can support healthy aging, press the like button, subscribe to Healthy Fruits, and activate notifications. Share this video with a friend or family member over 60. One simple food change may help someone build a stronger and healthier routine. Thank you for watching Healthy Fruits, where we turn everyday foods into practical lessons for a longer, stronger, and healthier life.